Am I looking bronzed? Am I looking glowy? Am I looking like I just stepped off of somebody's beach? Because I did. Baby, y'all can't tell me nothing in this makeup look, okay? Hey y'all, it's Jayla, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join all 21,000 of us over here. This is a makeup look I like to call I should be on somebody's yacht. Get into the makeup look, y'all, okay? I am a Florida girl, if you don't already know, and I still like to wear makeup even though it's super hot outside, okay? This is the makeup routine that I like to wear during the summertime to make sure my face stays on and make sure I still look good. If you're interested to see how I do my makeup in this Florida heat, make sure you keep on watching. It's not given I should be on a yacht right now, but trust me, by the end of this video, it's gonna be giving it. Y'all already know the first thing I'm gonna do is go in with my sunscreen. I went ahead and did an entire video about all of the sunscreens that I have in my collection and which ones would be good for you, so make sure you go ahead and check that video out. Right now, we are gonna use the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen in SPF 40. I like this one for underneath my makeup because it does have a silicone finish, which gives you a nice, smooth base for your makeup. Moving right along to primer. The primer that we will be using is from Milk Makeup. This is their Hydro Grip Primer. I know y'all have heard the makeup girls say that this is the best primer ever. They weren't lying. It has a very nice tacky finish, which is great for adhering all the products that you're gonna layer on top. All right, so let's get into this makeup. And one thing that I noticed that makes my makeup last longer, especially in this Florida heat, is when I underpaint. My version of underpainting is going in with all of my liquid products first. So I'm actually gonna go in with concealer before I touch my face with foundation. Right now I'm using the Fenty concealer. And this one is my skin tone. And I'm gonna use this one to just cover up my hyperpigmentation. That color was 385. This color is 360. 360 is just like one shade lighter than my skin tone. And this one is gonna be the one that covers my dark circles. And then I have my brightening shade, what I like to call my Kim K shade. This one is the color 280. This one is gonna give us that super brightening effect. I've been in the sun all day. I'm suntan and I got that way because I was on somebody's boat. I'm gonna blend this out first and then I'll show you how to get that super brightening effect. So with my brightening shade, I'm going directly underneath my eye and then I'm going on the outside of my eye. This is also the color I use to just put a little bit on my forehead, all the places that I would normally brighten. So we're gonna go ahead and blend this out. Y'all, so those are the only liquid products that are gonna go on my face. Everything else is gonna be a powder. And that's how I feel like my makeup lasts the best in the heat and humidity. This is the Mented Setting Powder and I'm going to set all of my highlighted areas. So now we're gonna actually go in with a powder foundation. I'm using this Fenty powder foundation in the color 385, but I'm gonna use this product and put it all over my face using my same sponge, okay? So I'm dipping into the sponge and I'm going to pat that powder all on my face. Again, this is gonna give us more coverage and also you can see it's clearly adding more color to my face than we had before. Now that we've kind of tied it all together, we just gotta add the dressings, right? Going in with my blushes, I'm using two different blushes from Mented. They are Play Too Much and Peach for the Stars. By the way, if you want to purchase any of these products, I'll leave the link in the description box. I do have a coupon code for y'all, so go ahead and check it out. Play Too Much is more of a red shade and it's gonna add a little bit more color to our face. So I go in with that first. Always taking it on the eyes as kind of like a very sheer eyeshadow. Peach for the Stars is a peach shimmer, and again I take that on my actual eyelid. For the rest of my face, I'm really only going to go into one product. So y'all know I like to use my blush and my bronzer and my highlighters as multi-purpose products. I usually use them as eyeshadow, so I went ahead and caved and I purchased the new Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer and highlighter palette. 4 different bronzer shades and then 2 highlighters. So I'm gonna go into the color Caramel Cutie, which is my normal bronzer shade. Y'all have to go in with the bronzer if you want to look like you've been on somebody's yacht. I am gonna go into the next shade right here, which is Cocoa Naughty. I'm gonna add a little bit of Cocoa Naughty to my face as well. And again, I go right on the eyes with that exact same product. Next, we're gonna go in that same palette and we're gonna use this highlighter. It's called Fat Glass. And I'm gonna take literally my finger and we're gonna use that to highlight all my areas, okay? A slight shimmer on the eyes. And I'm gonna finish that off with the Milk Hydro Grip setting spray. I figured since I use the Milk Hydro Grip primer, this will be a really good pairing with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face. Say hi to Simba back there. He finna jump up there and get in my shot. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time in the brows, okay? Taking this Minted pencil in the shade Brow Down. This is a brand new pencil. I ran out actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a light outline. So that's all the product I'm gonna do. We're just gonna brush it through. The lashes we're gonna use today are from the beauty supply store. Okay, this is what they look like. So quite recently, I have been doing my lashes a little differently and I've loved the way they look. I've been putting my lashes underneath my lash line because I've been doing DIY lash extensions and I just love the natural finish that you get when you put your lashes underneath. So now I'm trying it with my regular strip lashes. What is given? Now I'm gonna go in with my mascara. This is the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift in the color Ultra Black. Almost done with the eyes. I'm going back into that very same bronzer palette and I take one of the deeper shadows and I go right underneath my lash line to kind of use that again as my eyeshadow. I'm feeling fancy. I even wing it out just a little bit. You see that? And baby, we are almost done with the face. We're going to finish it off with a Fenty gloss. This one is in the color Cake Shake. It's like a champagne brown color. When I use this one, I also like to go into Baby Brute, which is a much lighter pink, but also still giving pretty much neutral color. One last thing I like to do to make myself look really airbrushed is go into my little Charlotte Tilbury powder. Yes, this thing is little because it's expensive. And I like to just go in right underneath my eyes just to kind of blur it out. Alright y'all, so here is our I should be on somebody's yacht makeup routine. I live in Florida, so I'm definitely a hot girl makeup routine. Let me know what you think of this makeup routine in the comment section below. Do you wear makeup when it's super hot outside, or are you a tinted moisturizer girl and go? Alright y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so YouTube can share with other people. If you're interested in my hair at all, just know this hair vlog is coming. It's on the way, so make sure you hit that notification bell. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.